Every modern industry begins with the earth.
Here, raw elements are unearthed.
Unrefined, powerful, essential.
Movement begins the transformation.
Control is as important as power. Raw material begins its journey. Distance separates ground from chemistry.
Scale demands coordination.
Containment protects everything that follows.
Raw materials flow through nations. Supply must never stop. The system awakens. Chemistry begins indoors.
Protection comes first.
Every process begins with feed. Uniformity is essential. The raw stage ends here. Now, matter becomes chemistry. Scale reveals itself quickly. Nothing here is exposed.
Energy prepares the material.
Temperature is carefully guarded. Movement must never stop. Flow is regulated continuously.
Storage stabilizes supply.
Balance keeps systems alive. Observation prevents failure. Impurities stop here. The plant synchronizes.
Direction is unmistakable.
This is where transformation begins. Purity matters. Transcription. Oxygen is carefully delivered.
Balance creates stability.
Separate paths become one. Now the chemistry truly begins.
This is industry on a monumental scale.
Height allows control. Access is engineered into every level. Human oversight remains essential. Energy is never wasted. Heat becomes power. The plant powers itself. Motion becomes electricity. Stability is continuous. Flow defines direction. The plant adapts as it runs.
Balance requires cooling.
Nothing operates alone.
Observation never stops.
This is where control is perfected. Circulation maintains equilibrium.
Thousands of systems act as one. Inside, precision takes over. Before progress continues, balance must return. Heat must be managed.
Uniformity prevents instability.
The process remains contained.
Control is constant.
Unwanted moisture is removed. Nothing is wasted.
Particles must not pass.
Purity is engineered. Clean flow moves forward. Temperature defines efficiency. Systems must agree. Measurement guides motion. Allen guides motion. Consistency unlocks reliability. Momentum is restored. The path is clear. Preparation is complete. Now precision takes command. This is the heart of transformation. Built for stability. Access is engineered at every stage. Distribution defines efficiency.
Each layer has a purpose. Energy is carefully redirected.
Balance keeps reactions steady.
Control replaces chaos.
Transformation continues in stages. Movement is expected. Performance is verified continuously.
Efficiency defines output.
The transformation is complete. Preparation for capture begins. Thousands of tons guided daily. Flow never stops. Now the product takes form.
Transcription. This is where capture replaces motion.
Built for control, not speed.
Flow meets resistance.
Circulation maintint balance.
Uniformity defines performance.
Surface area does the work.
Nothing escapes unintentionally. The product gathers. Transcription. Motion is carefully recycled.
Temperature remains controlled.
Consistency defines quality. Efficiency improves in stages. Nothing moves randomly.
Purity is refined.
The result moves forward. Delivery begins internally. Thousands of systems act as one. The journey nears completion.
Production means nothing without containment.
Scale demands strength. Movement continues under control. Automation replaces uncertainty. Measurement never sleeps. Temperature defines stability.
Energy is always balanced.
Protection is built in layers.
Prevention begins early. Prepared for what must never happen.
Every system reports here.
This is the plant's nervous system.
Supply meets demand. Direction is decided instantly. Distance no longer limits control. The final stage approaches. Stability at scale. Now the product prepares to leave. Transcription. Before delivery, precision takes over. The final path begins. Clarity is refined. Verification never stops. Stability defines transport. Uniformity ensures consistency. Nothing moves without approval.
Confirmation comes before movement.
Standards are met. The system responds.
Bedouin Thursday summer plans so wing to Exetel Solbart, and Terbsura Rigs along the button tank.
The route is clear.
Distribution begins here.
Design accuracy, designed for safety. Nothing escapes.
Automation maintains precision.
Scale meets coordination. The product is ready.
One final step remains.
Before release, proof is required.
Verification begins here.
Nothing is handled openly. Protection defines the environment. Accuracy depends on precision.
Consistency replaces assumption.
Reliability must be proven. Nothing unwanted may pass.
Standards are non-negotiable. Human oversight remains essential.
Every batch carries identity. Approval is earned.
Accountability lasts forever.
The product is cleared. Nothing leaves unchecked. Systems respond together. Industry prepares to deliver. The journey nears its end.
The process reaches its final stage.
Safety follows the product outward. Clarity prevents mistakes. Every movement is recorded.
Authorization granted.
Scale moves with precision. Supply begins its global journey. Industry never sleeps.
Storage remains controlled.
Precision replaces force. From one plant to the world. Few chemicals touch more lives.
Every pipe has purpose.
From raw element to refined power.
And this is how modern factories produce sulfuric acid from start to finish.
Engineering shaping the modern world.
Invisible, yet essential.
Until the next process.